They, oh, how obsessed, oh. Really obsessed, guys. Wala siya kap. That one, oh. He used this kind of apps. He used that one. I show you, ha. He used that kind of apps. You can choose there. You can choose this here, like that. You can choose that. You can put anywhere your only picture. You can do that one. Yeah. To change. Yeah. That's why I invited with that. I invited with this person to come in the Philippines so that you can go quickly in the imprisonment. I know you cannot come here. Another one, because if you come here, I'm sure the police will be said, who is the one that who keeping isay masabit man ginang imong leader. Kay mo ingon man gid kinsa may sigig sunggal-sunggal nimo nga ing ana iibulihon siya. O di. Oh, every time that he go live, guys, oh, I answered, guys, ha, and then they telling, oh, she got mad. Oh, imagine, oh, stay away. It's dangerous that man. Making up a lying, making up a story, guessing here, guessing that with no proof, you know. And then he is not come here in the Philippines. He only listening with some big wallet. Now, he is a lapping dog on big wallet. Everybody knows that. Oh, imagine, guys, oh. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, first, he is enemy on this. Second, he had a lot of enemy. He is enemy